Southwest Institute of Natural Aesthetics features Glow Minerals products made from pharmaceutical-grade ingredients, natural high pigment minerals, nourishing vitamins, and powerful antioxidants to deliver radiant beauty and healthy glowing skin. Our Glitter and Glow event on Saturday, December 3rd featured seasonal colors from Glow Minerals. We had Glow Mineral makeup artist Carolyn Kowitsky presenting complimentary color matching sessions, as well as tips and tricks for flawless holiday makeup. Everyone enjoyed glowing discounts and great makeup gift ideas from Glow, perfect for anyone's shopping list. Come visit our Student Day Spa, serving the public 6 days a week. Students, under the supervision of a licensed esthetician and instructor, perform all work. Begin your new career in natural beauty and skincare with Southwest Institute of Natural Aesthetics. Go to naturalbeautyaz.com.